garden builder Janie Pendleton. We're back inside the kitchen where I just finished cutting herbs in my garden. You know how I love my herbs. Gentle cold rain here, and I've washed them, shook them off really well, laid them down inside my salad spinner here, put on the lid. A few pulls. Just top. And they're perfectly clean and dry now. All right, that was my lemon balm. Now I'm going to take these with us on our trip as well, because what I'll do is I'll stuff some of this in our water and in our drinks, and this will make for some great smoothies, some healthy things. We've got basil here for our pasta sauces. We got some nice sage right here. Look at that sage, it's just beautiful. And then I'm going to hang these up. And I'm going to, oops, I got stuck in there. And I'm going to hang these up to dry from the curtain rods over my windows, either in the bedroom or in the family room. All right? I'll just tie them up and hang them up on the curtain rods just like I do right here in my kitchen. Right, everything's been washed. I'm sure I won't need that much of this. There's some nice oregano right here. Some nice oregano. Let's dump the water out here first. See? There we go. So use your salad spinner to dry off your just washed herbs. Another kitchen tip, especially for the RV of the week. All right, how much water we got off of there? There you go. And the rest of the stems and the bad leaves we'll pick off of here, and we'll put those down our garbage disposal. And that will help that garbage disposal smell really good when we come back in a couple of days from our trip. All right, and I'm just going to tie it and bind these together. I'm just going to lay them out here on a, spread them out, let them finish drying here for about an hour. That's all it takes. I'm going to spread them out here long enough that I can still tie these up to my thing. So what I'll do is I'll just gather these up. That one's kind of broke. Just like you would a bouquet. My motorhome is going to smell so delicious. The neighbors are going to want to come and eat at our little station, won't they? All right, so I'm just going to wrap these around tight so they don't come apart. Give them a good, nice tight twist. And then we'll wrap this right here around the curtain rods. And there is our sage. Somebody may get a sore throat, or I might want some peppermint tea. So there we go. A little bit of time fell out of there. That's funny. I'm going to try to bend these up this way. Once around, and then twist. A nice tight twist, because as these dry, they do shrink up just a little bit. And then we're just going to hang these from the curtain rods throughout the motorhome. And it will smell wonderful, won't it, John? The lemon balm is my favorite. I rub a lemon balm leaf on my hand, just like this. I break it like this. And I rub it in my hand like this. Throw it down the garbage disposal. Lemon balm is great for chicken or fish dishes, okay? And lemon balm is great for a tea, just like the mint is. You can have mint and lemon balm tea. Sage is great on chicken or fish or pork. But the lemon balm is one of my favorites. I just crush it, rub it between my hands, or rub it on me like perfume. I'm not allergic to it. Stuff I put down, this or sage, or even the mint. See, for the mint, I can make mint tea while we're gone, and it helps with stomach aches and toothaches. The sage is great on chicken and fish, and the lemon balm, it makes great lemon balm tea as well. It's very soothing. You can put that in with your mint, lemon mint tea or something. But lemon balm is great on fish and on chicken as well. It's got some strong lemon flavors. And we'll just hang that in there as well. some up for the motorhome, and then I will tie some up here at the house. This keeps your motorhome smelling fresh year-round though, and it keeps the mice at bay. Put bay leaves throughout your motorhome and dryer sheets. That helps keep the mice at bay. Just tied up, and then we'll have some great oregano for pasta sauces. Now, for whatever reason, my time is not came up this year, so a little frustrated about that. Now, I've got my clothes all packed, all my belts, my shoes, my personables, my makeup. Everything is ready to go and packed in the motorhome. I just have to fill our 2 new canisters. John doesn't like to drink out of plastic, so he got this, which is stainless steel. And then I got this one, which is glass, and I can also hang it off my bicycle, and it's got some rubber protection here. You just press it and go, and then I'm drinking out of glass, which is, this right here is like a little plastic piece here, but the rest of it's glass. So that's what I prefer. And we got both of those at Walmart, by the way. All right, so I got this dried out. And now I'm just going to kind of layer these in here like this. I got my bouquets made. Everything's made. And if I find any natural herbs in this park, you're not allowed to pick them. So that's why I'm taking them. Yes, that's why I'm picking them. Now, I can either put these like this right here, and that stay perfectly fine and dry up perfectly fresh, just like this, packed away, or even like you do in the refrigerator. If you want to keep them really fresh, and just stick them in the refrigerator. This outside, and we're going to hang these up in the motorhome, and we're going to bring you along for that. We'll be right back. Look at the moon. Can you see the moon? See if you can see it up there. There it is. It's bigger, of course, like any camera. It's bigger, my point of view. So. There you go. Look at these. They're like little tiny carnations, and I can't remember the name of them. My salvia is in bloom. This one's starting to bloom. All my roses are beginning to bloom. And the lilies. And I don't know the name of those anymore. They're like a red dragon something. Daisies are in bloom up here. Yeah, so I'm pretty excited. So let's go in and let's see how that bouquet looks in here that I made out of my garden. Let's go into the beast. Looky, it looks like the sky's darkening. I'm going to be very upset if it rains tomorrow.
I have to wash the dog.
So you can smell this already, can't you?
Yeah, it smells very nice.
Let's see if you can see this. Okay. And here's my bouquet. What do you think? Didn't that turn out to be just beautiful? So I get to take some of my spring flowers with me. So that way I'll get to enjoy them even though we're gone while they're all in full bloom. I'll get to enjoy them. And here's some of those little carnation looking flowers. Oh, give me the name of those. I can't remember the name of them. They're like little carnations. Here's some of that salvia I put in here. The daisies. The lilacs. Some boxwoods. So... And then I've got this part of the cushions covered now. I just have to finish the seat. So I'm pretty excited. Isn't that beautiful?
Yep.
Alright, so now I'm going to turn on some lights, and I got to figure out where in here that I should hang up my things. Should I hang them up across here over the banquet? Should I try to figure out a way to hang them up here across the sink top? They'd catch fire over there. Or I could hang them coming in the door. No, they'd probably blow away there. Or the curtain rod over the sofa. So what do you think? The green pulls out a little bit of that gray tone in the curtains. And then at night all I have to do is just slide down the nightshade. And that bouquet. The whole motorhome smells like lilacs right now. Smells like lilacs, sage, and lemon balm. I'm telling you, it smells good. Who needs to burn a candle when you have your garden that you bring with you? All right? This is Chef and Builder Janie Pendleton from the RV, which we are getting ready to take off tomorrow. I'm hoping that I will have access to some Wi-Fi. Here's the sofa that I cut in half and rebuilt and put in here. Here's that hickory floor. Some more curtains. Oh yeah, I got the front curtains made that close up here as well. Here, I'll go up there and show that to you. I don't know how well you can see up here. There we go. See, look, you remember those old nasty brown curtains? I got these made, and what I did is I just kept, I'll show you what I did. See, right there's the old curtain right there. I just cut the tabs off right here and sewed those tabs here onto a new curtain. And then you can see here, this little piece right here that slides on the thing. And I just screwed this little tab back in to keep it from coming off. And then kind of hid that. So the tab strip's still there from the old curtains, but the rest of the curtains, of course, are gone. And then I got the lined curtains so you can't see through them, and so they take the sun really well as well. They don't fade. So, and here's this side. I did that to mine as well. So all the curtains are made. All the chairs have been made and reinstalled. The sofa I cut in half and rebuilt inside of here so I could have a nice sofa in here. New subfloor, new hickory floor. Getting ready to cover this. And I'm actually going to cover the two visors there as well with this same fabric here. And I'm going to make a couple pockets for our sunglasses and things. And going down the road, things are going to smell so good in here. And then what I'll do with the bouquet here is I'll pack it really, really well inside the small sink. And just pack it so it doesn't froth around too much. It'll make it. Behind here, of course, is all of our utilities. Behind the picture, the oil painting. And we got the furnace fixed. The AC's working, and we got the water heater fixed. So now I have heat. Yeah, now I have heat. So I can't wait to finish the banquets. But right now, I think it looks cute with just the backs done. Got these curtains here made. Aren't those cute? Those are so cute. So we're just moving right along. This is where my stove is, where my oven and microwave are. I'll just keep moving this direction, I guess. Turning on lights as I go. Right here is the freezer and refrigerator. It's like a smoked glass, mirror glass, which is fine with me because I have a regular mirror. See right here on that. Big armoire here with some drawers. And then here's the bathroom. I've completely redone the bathroom as well. Oh, I didn't have a light on for you. I'm sorry. Okay, we'll go through this again. Sorry. And then see this door right here shuts, and it has a big full-length mirror on it as well. And then I just put one of those industrial pull hooks on here, and then I can hang, you know, all of my bags of makeup and all that on there. This is the shower, and it is a really large shower. It's like I'd say it's like a 36-inch or even wider shower, at least 36 inches. And it's got the glass door on it, which I love. Just got the little trash can, so it didn't fit down in here like I thought it was going to without knocking everything around. So, and then the white rug was getting dirty, so I brought in a red rug. And that's much more convenient. Plenty of cabinet space in here. I did refurbish all the cabinets, but I forgot to paint the handles here in the bathroom. So I still have to paint them black, but my husband's like, no, I like that. So here we go to the bathroom. And then here is the bedroom. I love my buffalo checks. And of course I made everything in here except for these top curtains here. Those came from Walmart last year. I was going to make them, and I thought, well, man, they actually match my bedspread and my design. So I wanted a nice country feel. And then I went with this red twill fabric that was on the original cushion cover that I'd made. And I had some extra, so I added that to some lampshades. Then here we just have the armoire with all my camera equipment in there. Storage overhead. More reading lights. Trust me, it's a small little room, but we like it, and it works for us. There's room to get around in here. Again, it has the day and the night shades as well. Right now I've got the day shades up. And then John's got his side, I got my side. It works. And then of course I made these 2 little pillows here as well. So this is the only area in the whole thing that still has carpet, and I still have to put the shoe mold up. We were debating putting wood on up and over, but we decided to go ahead and keep the carpet because I was able to get it clean. And let me tell you, it took 3 tankfuls of water to clean it, but we finally got it clean. So it's just a little bit of an odd color, but it kind of goes with this blonde looking wood here. So, and I put a little bit of that creamy color in the bedspread and in the pillow, so ended up, it worked for me, right? Thank you for coming along for the ride. We love you. Be sure and hit that subscribe button. And I'm speaking to every one of you. We could not do this without you. You have all been so very supportive and complimentary, and offer great helps and tips, and have been very supportive, and you give me lots of prayers and lots of good vibes. And my husband and I, trust me, it does not go unnoticed. We want to thank you for everything you've done for us. I mean, it's a lot of people. It's not as big as the city of Indianapolis, but it's a sizable city. I'd say it's the 1/3 of the size of the city of Indianapolis. That's a lot of people. You guys are a lot of people. And so I think I'm going to call you guys the Pendleton peeps. The Pendleton's peeps. Pendleton peeps. So something along that line, or if you can think of something more fun, then I will do that. But we love you, and we are so thankful and blessed by each and every one of you. Some of you do not comment. You're a little shy, but we do want to hear from you. We do want to hear your ideas. This is a do-it-yourself channel and show, and a traveling show, gardening, canning. We want to hear from you. We want to hear your tips, and we are thankful when we hear comments from you. And we feel like we've grown to love every one of you. All right? And just remember to bring in your herbs and your floral arrangements all year round, and enjoy them whenever you take your RV trips. There's no reason to leave your flower garden behind. Bring them with you on the road. All right? This is Chef and Builder Janie Pendleton. Be sure and hit that subscribe button. Be sure and share this video with your friends and tell them about our little homestead so that they too can share Christ with others. Love you. Flowers for my Pendleton peeps.